Today's video, we are going to be checking out exactly what is in the June TOYL box. Let's do this. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing fantastic today. So like I said, today's video we are checking out the June TOYL box. Just open her on up there. We have the edit card, has information on everything in here, so we'll be looking at that throughout the video, which is great. Right, guys, so there is a sneak peek for you. Just quickly going back to the edit card, let's have a look. Welcome to your June TOYL box. This box is worth £123, nice. And this edit is called Best of British Beauty. Right, so we're going to dive straight in and take a closer look at the products that we have. Before we do that, if you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. And just to ask the question as well, because I don't know if anybody would be interested, I've lost some weight recently, and I actually have lost weight, which I'm really proud of. I've gone down a dress size. Would anybody be interested in a video on what I've done so far to lose weight? Comment down below, and anyway, if I get enough interest, then I will do a video. Right, so the first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Neil's Yard Remedies, and this is a hydrating frankincense cream. This has an RRP of £33. Wow. And it just says extra rich in texture, providing up to 24 hours of moisturization. This best-selling cream is perfect to help rebalance dry, more mature skin for a healthier complexion. Packed full of nourishing plant oils and nutrient-rich herbal extracts, skin will feel soft, replenished and smooth. Use daily after cleansing and toning. Apply to the face using upward circular motions, taking extra care around the delicate eye area. That sounds cool. This is a really nice brand as well. I've only ever tried 1 or 2 products from this brand, but they've been amazing, so I really can't wait to get in there. This is sealed. I'm going to keep that sealed because I really would like that to be nice and fresh when I do come round to using this. So yeah, really happy to get this brand in here. I can't wait to slap that all over my face. Before I get on to the next product, I think I forgot to mention like anything about the box. This box is meant for the more mature person, but I mean, they say from 35-40 upwards, but guys, you can get this while you're younger. Prepare your skin while you can. I really wish I started earlier. I have definitely gone through some really bad neglect in my time. I'm trying to get myself sorted now, and I'm definitely a lot better than what I used to be. But yes, this box is £39.99 a month, which is basically £40. This is the most expensive beauty box that I get. Some months it makes me cringe because I'm thinking, oh my god, it is so expensive, but then you get some really good fantastic brands in here, and the products have been amazing. So yeah, you'll have to weigh it up to yourself to see if you think it's worth it or not. But this is one of them boxes where you can pause it if you like, so they'll let you know what's in the box beforehand. I never take notice of that until I actually get the box in my grubby little fingers. But yeah, you can pause it if it's something that you're not interested in. But yeah, I'll link it down below for you so you can check it out if you want. The second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Delia, and it's Pure Light Liquid Radiance. This has an RRP of £34, and it just says Pure Light Liquid Radiance is a beautiful liquid illuminator with a sheer and weightless feel which instantly brightens and evens the skin tone, giving a lit from within glow, infused with vitamin E to protect from daily damage of free radicals, and packaged in a beautiful gold rose and glass bottle. This skin enhancing veil instantly blurs imperfections, diminishes dullness without a trace of a telltale glitter. That sounds so cool. For a healthy all over glow, apply 1 to 2 pumps of pure light liquid radiance all over the face to clear skin, or on top of foundation primer for a more intense highlight. Apply over foundation to the high points of your face, including cheekbones, temples, brow bones, to create a natural looking radiance. Okay, so yeah, it's just basically a highlighter. Cool. Add a soft glow from head to toe. Mix 1 to 2 drops with body lotion and massage it. So you can use this in so many ways. Wow, this is cool. This is a really nice brand as well. Again, I've tried some products from this brand and they've been awesome. Oh yeah, beautiful packaging. That feels expensive. I don't know whether to open this up or not. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, I'm going to. I need to play with something. So that is what it looks like. That looks very goldy. Oh, okay, let's, I put way too much on for my hand there, but let's just massage that in. Oh yeah, you can see, look, it looks dewy, and yeah, I can't see any trace of any glitter there. That is amazing. Can you see? That is absolutely stunning. I am going to take that on holiday with me, because during the day I'm going on a cruise, and during the day I'm not planning on wearing any foundation or anything. I might put a bit of blush on and a bit of mascara, but ideally I want to be able to put sun cream on. So yeah, I'm thinking that is going to be great for that. I'm only going to wear makeup on a night time, but yeah, this is definitely going to be with me on my hollybobs. The third item we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Margaret Dabs London, and this is Repair and Hand Lotion. And this has an RRP of £18 for hand lotion. Wow. This powerful, intensive, pure repair and hand cream with key ingredients, scientifically proven, penetrative in, I've said that wrong, I do apologise, provides powerful, lasting deep hydration. Vitamin F forte, it helps nurture and protect and condition excessively dry, stressed skin with sweet almond oil that softens and smooths the skin, formulated to help maintain the skin's natural healthy structure with a delicate scent of rose and lemon. That certainly does sound interesting. Okay, I'm gonna leave that sealed because I have so many hand creams on the go at the moment. It's not even funny anymore. I've never, I don't think, heard of this brand before. I hope I'm not lying, but I can't remember hearing about this brand. So it's going to be interesting to try something out, buy it. It's just, I'm kind of over hand creams at the moment. I've just got so many. Fourth and final product we have in the box is this. This is by the brand Emma Hardy, and this is Lotus Flower Treatment Cream. It has an RRP of £38. Light gel cream moisturiser to provide hydration, help reduce oiliness and inflammation, and help to strengthen the skin. For visible, smoother, softer skin in 28 days. It is fragrance free. Just take a pea size amount and moisturize thoroughly over the face and neck. Yeah, cool. That sounds really awesome. You can use this day or night. This is totally sealed, and I'm sorry, but this is definitely staying sealed because Emma Hardy product. Hello, another great fabulous brand. I have tried quite a few Emma Hardy products, and wow, this makes me so happy to get. I've never tried this before, and yeah, this has got my juices going. I'm excited. Nice. So this is the June TOYL box, time of your life. This edit is called Best of British Beauty, worth £123, did I say? Yes, yeah. Yeah, what do you think? Personally, I think this is a fabulous little box. Apart from the hand cream, because I've never heard of that brand before. I love the other brands in the box, so I don't know if I love the Margaret Dabs one. We shall soon find out. But yeah, really great brands, really happy with it. And I do feel, yes, there's only 4 products in there, but guys, you're paying £40 and this is worth 123, so that's kind of cool. What do you think? Comment down below and let me know. Have you got this box? Are you skipping this box? If you're interested in getting it, I'll leave the link down below. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.